What truly sets successful people apart? It's not luck or talent, it's habits. In this powerful motivational lecture, discover the 5 life-changing habits that drive unstoppable success. Apply these daily and transform your future forever. Your journey starts now. Success is not a miracle. It is not luck. It is not inherited wealth or some special talent you're born with. The true secret of success lies in the habits people build over time. Highly successful people aren't defined by circumstances, but by consistency, by mindset, by habits so strong they shape destiny. Today, I will share the 5 core habits that separate extraordinary achievers from the ordinary, and if you adopt them, they will change your life forever. Let's begin. Habit 1. Relentless focus on goals. Successful people don't wake up and see how the day goes. They start with clear goals, daily, weekly, and long-term. They know exactly what they want. They write it down. They visualize success every single day. They say no to distractions and yes to priorities. Example, Elon Musk has said he schedules his day in 5-minute blocks. Every moment is accounted for. Why? Because he guards his time like treasure. Motivational takeaway. If you don't define your own path, someone else will use you to reach theirs. Habit 2. Ruthless discipline and routine. Discipline is the bridge between dreams and achievement. The most successful people don't always feel like working hard, but they show up anyway, whether it's waking up early, training their mind, or working late into the night. They don't negotiate with their excuses. Example, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson trains every morning, no matter where he is in the world. Discipline is his anchor. Motivational takeaway. Talent may open the door, but discipline keeps you in the room. Habit 3. Continuous self-education. School ends, learning doesn't. Highly successful people are lifelong learners. They read books, they study people, they ask questions. They're obsessed with growth, and they never think they know it all. Example, Warren Buffett spends 80% of his day reading. He once said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." Motivational takeaway. You grow into your goals by growing your mind. Habit 4. Building powerful relationships. No one succeeds alone. Highly successful people are master networkers, but more than that. They are value givers. They lift others. They surround themselves with excellence. They create win-win relationships and stay away from toxic energy. Example, Oprah Winfrey built her empire on authenticity and deep, meaningful relationships. She says, surround yourself only with people who are going to lift you higher. A motivational takeaway, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Habit 5. Resilience. Turning pain into power. Here's the truth. Every successful person has failed. Everyone, but they didn't stop. They used their failures as fuel. They stayed resilient, unshaken, and determined. Example, Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. When asked if he felt like a failure, he said, "I didn't fail 1,000 times. The light bulb was an invention with 1,000 steps." A motivational takeaway, failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. Success is a lifestyle, not a destination. These 5 habits are more than tips. They are life principles. They take time, they take effort, but the reward is beyond anything you can imagine. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be lucky. You just need to be consistent. Success doesn't come from what you do once. It comes from what you do daily. So ask yourself, are you focused on your goals? Are you disciplined even when no one's watching? Are you learning something new every day? Are you building the right relationships? Are you resilient when life gets tough? If you start applying these 5 habits today, your future self will thank you tomorrow.